Hi guys! As you can see, I'm in the middle of the forest. So I've told you guys before that I like to go to the gym a lot, and I do go to the gym a lot, but sometimes I think it's really important to spend some time in the great outdoors. It's super important to get all that oxygen and sunlight and, you know, nature and walking and fitness that your body needs. So I feel really lucky that I live on a mountain that I'm on right now. So it's kind of cool. So I think everybody should go out this week, take a walk around a park or something, get out, just go see some nature. If you're in the middle of a city, I'm sure there's a park nearby. It's one of those things that's super good to do for your body and for your mind. And it's also really good to get away from technology, despite the fact that I'm filming this with a camera right now. But regardless, you know, no computers, no TVs, no none of that. Just nice sunshine and forest and oxygen and good weather. So, see you guys next week.
Okay, maybe.
Okay, maybe trying to kill myself for this is maybe not a good idea. Live vicariously through me. Hooray! What do you think of our walk, husband? You can just speak.
Wouldn't it be great if we seen a bear right now?
Wouldn't that be so great?
That's all I have.
Sometimes when you take really big walks, you end up really cool places, like the water.